Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll be creating static clings on the Mimaki UCJV300 series printer. For this application, we'll be using Mimaki LUS200 inks on static cling media. We'll start by creating the design in our software. A top and reversed bottom graphic will be required for the effect we're going for. For our top graphic, we will create cut lines and registration marks with Mimaki Fine Cut. Using raster link tools, we can easily create the additional layers for our graphic. Now that our file is ready, we load it into our raster link software. A few clicks and the file is ready to print with raster link. It's that easy. The UCJV prints our layers simultaneously, then switches to the cut function. It reads the registration marks, then perfectly cuts our predetermined cut contour lines. Now we have a perfectly applied static cling that can be viewed from front and back. It's that simple. For more information on the UCJV300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com and be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.